You guys, look at this cutest shelf that I got from IKEA. I bought it about 3 or 4 months ago, um, and my husband finally was able to put together for me um, a day or two ago. So excited for it. So I thought I'd kind of just give you a quick peek. It it's so cute, very sturdy, real deep drawers. Love these cute little round handles. I haven't got everything in it yet, but real nice deep drawers. Not sure what all I'm going to put in here, but I got it right below my, kind of where I die cut, my die cut area. So, anyway, just wanted to show you this. So it goes, it's the same, pink as all my other pinks that I've gotten from IKEA. So, anyway, love it. Just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of that. I don't know if they're still having any more. Like I say, I bought it probably 3 or 4 months ago, and it's been waiting to be put together, and he finally got it together for me. He forgot all about it. So anyway, I love it. So I just want to share it. I had to redo my room to fit it in here, so I'll do a updated little room tour after a bit. So just wanted to share my so cute little dresser. It reminds me of from The Grinch. It reminds me of like Cindy Lou Who's bedroom furniture. That's what it reminds me of. It's so cute. So anyway, just wanted to share. Thanks for watching. Bye.